Good morning, fourth graders, and here's your May 1st performance assignment, task assignment. Okay, so we'll share screens. Again, we'll come up on Schoology. So I already had it open, so it was back out here in your assignments. So you would click on it when it's in your assignments. You know you come over here to ELA performance task, click on it, and click on the bottom. And today. So we're going to scroll down. And then you should have had all these, the last 2 days, your main idea and details for each source, for each reading. You should have those completed. Okay, and then about layers and sports safety, and then you have your section 1. You should have all these filled in. You can use these ideas to help you. Now today on May 1st, 2020, use 2 sources to answer the following questions. Explain why it's important to wear the right gear and clothing for the type of sports activity you're going to be doing. Give 3 reasons using information from both sources. Be sure to tell which source you used for each reason. Type your answer in the provided. So it's important, you might want to start out your sentence, it's important to wear the right gear when playing hockey. I'm going to say, okay, and it says in source 1, so I'm going to talk about source 1. What's the most important thing? It talked about helmets, right? So I'm going to say in source 1, I learned wearing a helmet again is important for safety. Now, so there I gave something. I gave an idea from 1, talked about a helmet, how it was safety, and I'm gonna say in source 2, and then I might say something about clothing. It told me it was important to wear the proper clothing. So if you're playing hockey, you might need a warm clothing because you're on ice. So you're just going to give details and then say which source, in source 1 or in source 2, where you got information about the clothing or the equipment or whatever safety you needed to use. Okay, so that's just basically what you do. You're going to give 3 reasons using information from both sources, okay? 3 reasons why it's important to wear the proper gear and equipment, okay? Gear, equipment, and clothing. So then you have this next one where it says which sentence from How to Be Safe in the Ice and Snow shows why it's important to pay attention to your body. Highlight the correct answer. Now when you highlight, you hold down the space bar, not the space bar, excuse me, the mouse on mine, and you just drag with your finger to highlight it. And then you can come right up here where the letter is and change the color to the color, or highlight it to whatever color you want. Okay. And then when you type, also, if you wanted to change the size of your type, this is stuff we've been learning, but you can go on the font size right there. Don't really change the font too much, just type normal, and that's how you would do that. Most of you probably know how to do that. And there's also a third question. It says, which type can be found in both sources? Highlight the correct answer. So which one of these things are in both articles or sources? So again, remember, you'll highlight, you'll read, go back and look at the information you've taken to help you fill in your box. You need 3 reasons using information from both stories or sources. Okay, so I'll give you an example with hockey. Maybe you could use, or you decide whatever you want. Information, you can look here. These things should be filled out with your main ideas to help you. It will help you do it, and you just type it in there. Now, you don't go on. That's it. That's it for today. All right. But you need to cite your sources, which means you'll say source 1, or source 2. And you could just do it like this right here, where it says source 1 or source 2. So you could put an asterisk when I was typing in source, and I could just do in source 1. If you want to say it like this, I'll let you do it like that because that's the way we had it. I learned wearing a helmet is important for safety. In source 2, what did you learn? Maybe something about clothing. And then you're going to have 3 reasons about wearing the right gear and right clothing. Okay. All right. That should be good. And then next week we will go on down. Don't worry about this. You can see it says for the week of May 4th and May 8th. We'll talk about that next week. All right, boys and girls, have a great day. Bye.